Good morning. Today I'll show you how to order a lens from Indian Macro Lens or M10 in India. So go to your Chrome, or you can find the link from what should I say, Indian Macro Lens Instagram page also. So just search M10n dot in M10n dot in. You will find another page. Okay, so this will open. So you can see India's first handmade lens seller for those who can't afford uh, big dreams. Okay, so यहाँ पे you will get our WhatsApp group links also. So there is a short link, our official store. Okay, if you click here, there will be like our Instagram page will be opened. So here is given a banner that how to track your parcel. Check if your order is shipped or not. So if you order today, we at least take 2 to 3 days to ship the order, because as you know, so like, so after that you will get the tracking ID from Indian Post or DTDC or any courier. Then what you have to do, if it is from Indian Post, you will find that your tracking ID starts from EW and ends with IN. IN means India. Okay, so search on the Google Indian Post tracking, and paste the ID and you can do this. Okay, so now you will find that Nikon A810 lens is out of stock, now available only M10 and 55 mm. This was also available telephoto lens, but all are gone. 20x is also gone, but this tripod and this Sony 25 mm is available. So right now what I will do, I'll try to order this one M10 and 55 mm, and I'll show you what it is showing. M10 and 55 mm macro lens, and there is lots of photos, some etc. So here is a page that I have to fill up with some keywords, with which mobile you will use this lens. Okay, so you have to say I am using Redmi Note 7s, so I have to put here Redmi Note 7s. So this is mandatory, and here is written what should I say, shipping can take at least 2 days, so you have to wait. Are you agreeing? You have to say yes dot. Then you can add the quantity 2 3 4 5, no issue in that, but put one. Then click on add to back. But my request is that before buying, check all the description of the product. Okay, A to Z, it will help you. You can check the reviews of also, so it can help you before purchasing a product. Then add to back. Okay, go to checkout. So here you can see I have here one product and I have to pay the delivery charge 51 rupees, and enter your email address. This will be used to send your so I will put my email address here. My email address is Monojit Nandi यहाँ पे 0@gmail.com. This is my email ID. Okay, please keep me up to the date. Done, I have to do this. Then I will press checkout. Okay, so you can see my these are my address and proper address. So I have done. I have to fill the phone number. That is not optional. I don't know why it's written optional, but it's must. You have to fill it. So then okay, now I'll click on continue. Okay, so here is given a notice that standard shipping, estimated arrival on Sunday, July 25th, Thursday, etc. So this is the message you have to follow and click on that. Okay, now I have to make the payment with any card or something. I'll go to payment. Okay, so they will redirect it to me a page. So here is the option like Google Pay, UPI, net banking, etc, whatever you want here is given. I'll click on Google Pay. Okay, so the page will be open to Google Pay. I will click on it. So you can see pay money is asking me for the amount, and I will pay the money. proceed to pay. I will enter my UPI pin. Now it's done. So what I have to do, I have to wait at least few seconds after this. Okay, so now you can see it's done. So open, so it's now done, and then I have to still wait. Loading, please wait. So you can see they will say that your order is done. Okay, so it's still loading, and now it's, you can say the order is done from Manojit Nandi. So I have paid my amount for you. Thank you for this, but please make sure that you are waiting after paying. Okay, you have to wait 2 or 3 seconds, more than 1 minute, but please do so, because if you don't do so, your money will be deducted but the order will not be completed. So that is the problem with any online or e-commerce sites. Okay, thank you.